Naisargiki, natural, rati, attachment. Prabhupada's translation. Who could list the innumerable transcendental qualities of Prahlad Maharaj? He had unflinching faith in Vasudeva, Lord Krishna, and unalloyed devotion to him. His attachment to Lord Krishna was natural because of his previous devotional service. Although his good qualities cannot be enumerated, they prove that he was a great soul, Mahatma. So, as we know, as Prabhupada is mentioning here, Mahatma, the Prahlad Maharaj, he's mentioned as one of the Dwadasa Mahajans, the 12 great authorities on spiritual life. Swayambhur, Narada, Shambhu, Prahlado, Janako, Bhishmo. So Prahlad Maharaj is one of the great 12 Mahajans whom we should follow. We should follow his teachings, we should follow his actions, his achar, his behavior, and we should try to understand something about how did he become a Mahajan, a Mahatma? How did he become a great soul? How did he become a guru, the acharya, the Shrestha acharya, the guru of devotion? He's known as Bhakta Prahlad, because he exemplifies the qualities of pure bhakti, Shuddha bhakti. So how did that happen? How did he get to that position? How did he attain that final position? In Puri, in Jagannath Puri, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he used to sit with Gadadhar Pandit and listen to the Bhagavatam. And Vrindavan Das Thakur says that he listened to two stories were very favorite of his, although he also, of course, heard the Rasa Panchadaya, the Rasa Lila chapters, and the discussions of Gopi Bhav. He also heard that from Gadadhar Pandit. But it's told that Chaitanya Mahaprabhu listened to the story of Prahlad Maharaj 100 times. He heard the story 100 times from the lotus lips of Gadadhar Pandit. And he also heard 100 times the story of Dhruva Maharaj, Dhruva Charita. It's called Dhruva Charita or Prahlad Charita, the life and teachings of Bhakta Prahlad. So this shows by the example of Gauranga Mahaprabhu that the life and teachings of Bhakta Prahlad are indeed very important for the Bhakta Samaj, for all the group of devotees, or Vaishnav Samaj. So in this verse, Shukadeva Goswami uses this term Naisargiki Rati. Naisargiki means natural, inherent, and Rati means Bhava. Bhava is another name for Bhav. We have three kinds of bhakti: Sadhana bhakti, Bhava bhakti, and Prema bhakti.